So today I'm doing a review of Kelly Inn West Yellowstone, and stayed here for 2 nights, checking out today. Stayed here because I wanted to visit Yellowstone, and it's just right around the corner from the West Gate entrance. So literally it's like a 4-minute drive to the West Gate entrance of Yellowstone. So it's a very convenient location. It's right in downtown, and they have like lots of little bars, gift shops, restaurants, cafes. There's actually a McDonald's right next to the hotel, so you can walk to the McDonald's, which was very convenient. We did that yesterday because we were so tired and just wanted something quick to eat. And just walked over to McDonald's and it was great. They even have like picnic tables outside this McDonald's if you want to enjoy your meal outdoors, so that was really nice. So yeah, so this room is a 2-queen bedroom. I usually like to go for king size, but sometimes it's cheaper to get a 2-queen bedroom. So that might have been the situation for this one. I really can't remember. It was a decent sized room. There's plenty of space to put your belongings everywhere. But before I go into that, let me go over the amenities real quick. So this place has an indoor pool, a little jacuzzi inside too. So they do have complimentary breakfast here. It's from 6:30 to 9:30. We just had some breakfast this morning and it was pretty good. They had the typical, continental breakfast with some hot foods. They had a pancake station instead of a waffle station. The pancakes were decent. And they also had some eggs, sausage, bread, yogurt, granola. I asked if there was a gym in here, but they said there is no gym because the park is the gym. But today is raining, so it's kind of hard to go out and exercise today. But I mean, not like I was gonna use a gym anyway, but that was their excuse. It's like, well, you're at the park, you don't need a gym. They do have a laundry room here too. They have one on the first floor and the second floor. And they do provide quarters if you need it. And it's $3, I think they said, for the washer and dryer. So it's a little bit more expensive than other hotels that I've stayed at. Usually they're like, I don't know, $250. Okay, I think that's about it here for the amenities. So I'm just gonna go over the room tour. Okay, so as I mentioned, it's a 2-queen bedroom. Tyrone is enjoying relaxing on the bed right now before we take off. Taking off soon after this. It's a rainy day, so it's kind of a good day that we're leaving today. We're moving on to Glacier National Park next. The beds were like okay to me. They weren't the most comfortable, but they weren't uncomfortable either. So I would just say they were like mid-grade beds. But they do provide lots of pillows. Each bed has 4 pillows. Pillows are okay. And then in the middle is this nightstand with a drawer, and they have a couple of outlets here with USB ports. Across from the bed is this nice dining table area. I like their wood theme here. It's very, like you're in the woods camping or something. They like a cabin, because they have like these nice thick wooden chairs too. That's like they have that everywhere in this hotel. Like even in the dining room, they have these thick wooden chairs. And then even this dresser here is all made out of wood. These are like nice big drawers if you need to store stuff. There's a microwave and a fridge, which this is a medium-sized fridge, which is nice. We stored a lot of stuff in here. Maybe keeping all our waters cold, and they do have a little freezer up top too that you can use. Then up here is the coffee. Didn't use this at all because I got coffee at breakfast today. The coffee isn't that great actually. And then they have a full-length mirror here. And oh yeah, luggage rack. They actually provided 2 luggage racks here, which was really nice. Because most hotels, they only provide 1 luggage rack, which I think is like so dumb because they're gonna be like usually 2 people in a hotel room. So it was really nice that they provided 2. And the sink area. So the sink area is separate from the bathroom in here. Sink, I'm using the outlet right now for my rice cooker because I'm making some rice balls later for the road. And then they do have some soap and lotion, shampoo and conditioner, and they also have makeup wipes, which I like, so I'm gonna take these. Here is the closet space. They actually give you lots of hangers and iron and ironing board. Then over here is the bathroom. Again, like everything is wood themed, like you're going camping in a cabin. And yeah, just a pretty plain bathroom, but everything worked pretty well. The shower head, sometimes it would squeak a little bit, but other than that, it was all right. The temperature was great, pressure was fine. Oh, I do like these little bear animal carvings they have on these lamps and stuff. They have it on here, and they have it on the chairs. They have like bear paintings. Oh yeah, right here too. Little bear and trees. It's kind of cute. Oh, in here on the bed. Oh, these are bear and moose. I forgot to mention too that when you check into the hotel, the front of the building has like these little bears hanging, like climbing up to the windows, which I thought was so adorable. So I immediately love this place because of that little cute touch there. But yeah, I mean, this hotel overall was pretty good. It was decent. It's not like, you know, a luxury hotel by any means, but it's a decent stay for sure, especially like by Yellowstone. Because, you know, a lot of hotels are pretty expensive or they're not that great around the parks, but this one was really good. I really liked staying here. The staff was really nice and helpful whenever I had a question. Yeah, I think I covered everything the best I could. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.